Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I am on my way to work, but before I do that, I am outside doing a little errand. So I decided to, turn on the camera and shop with you guys, or you guys shop with me. Alright, so I'm here trying to get some pasta. I'm getting lasagna shells, elbows, honey. Alright, so these are what I got. Now I'm here and I'm trying to get some condensed milk, some evaporated milk. I'll be back. Alright, so I just got the evaporated milk because the condensed, this expires in 2025. The condensed milk expires in 24th of December. So I'm going to come back and see if I can get. Alright, so I'm getting me some pack soup. Oh wait, let me check the date on this. I think these are expired too. This is 10/2/24. I'm going to go through this stuff. Wait, I'm losing my mind. It's 24, we in 23. Jesus Lord. So I'm going to have to go back and get that milk. I don't know what I'm thinking. I guess because I'm rushing. But I'll be back. Alright, child. I'm in the snack section and I am rushing. Like legit rushing. And I don't know what I was. You see, they said 24. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I was like, wait, 24. But I got the evaporated milk, condensed milk. And they all expire next year, late next year. I don't know. I need to come and shop in peace and not rush. Yeah, nah, these are what I got so far. And then I'm getting snacks. Alright guys, I'll see you all. I'll be back. Yeah, look. And then I got these. Alright, so I am finished with Walmart. I am going to Wawa. When I tell you they have the best hot chocolate, yes, I know I'm not supposed to be drinking that hot chocolate, but this time of the month I need sugar. And this here Wawa hot chocolate is going to make me feel a little better. Okay, so we gonna go into Wawa. I'm in Burlington, y'all. Alright, so got some bags. These are all Christmas gifts. Okay, I'll be over there, baby girl. Do your thing, man. I ain't stopping you. Look, I'm finding clothes, y'all. Finding clothes on my nephew. Yep, got him some stuff. Got him some shirts. I love this. This is cute. All that for my nephew. I found the top, y'all. So I have the black leggings. And of course, I always get some kind of snack when I come in here for myself. I love wafers. Yep. I didn't get everything that I came in here for. So on Sunday I'm gonna have to come back outside. Or if I don't go to work tomorrow, I could do it tomorrow. And bring grandma with me. Right, grandma?
Huh?
Could bring you with me.
What?
When we coming back shopping. Grandma didn't know we was coming shopping. She thought we were going to dinner. So she's like, I thought we were going to dinner. That's all she keeps saying. I thought we were going to dinner.
What are you going for dinner?
Grandma's hungry. Alright, y'all. Look. $200+ later. Right, Grandma?
Huh?
$200+ later. I love Burlington. I can pick up 3-4 big bags of stuff and spend $200 and be pleased with what I pick up, because I'll take my time and go and shop. But when I'm with people who talking about, oh, I thought we were going to eat,
Because I'm hungry.
mommy, everybody hungry. I didn't eat all day.
That is you.
Yeah, take this.
You know I can eat myself,
Yeah.
starve myself, because you know what, come. I got to take a pill.
It looked like Texas Roadhouse is starting to become a favorite of ours. But the only reason why we're going there is because mommy never went, and we have baby girl with us, and they have food there that she can actually eat. So that's why we're going to Texas Roadhouse. And this is where we are at the mall. Grandma, you could go ahead or no?
No, you go.
Grandma afraid people? Grandma afraid people, yeah. We're back.
But you want this right now. What is this? Rabbi.
We're back.
Rabbi. You get first of Rabbi. Yeah, I was reminded when they walk for on this one.
That's mine.
Right? Yeah, I fall asleep one time sleep. I come to work every time.
And that's grandma's.
The bread tastes good.
Wait, hold on. You see these bread and butter? When I tell you guys,
The bread tastes good.
I live for these bread and butter. Live for the bread and butter. There's cinnamon roll. It's grandma's salad, right? And this is mine. When I tell y'all I'm hungry, grandma says she's hungry, but that don't look like she's hungry to me. To all my Vincy people, what is haggle? That's what you said? Haggle. So I had my drink. This is mommy drink, right? And that's OC drink. So mommy turned around and said, she said, I haggled up my drink. So can somebody explain to somebody from St. Vincent, explain to me what haggle down means? So this is mommy dinner. That's steak and barbecue chicken with mashed potato. We have grilled shrimp. Oh, that's OC mashed potato with this food. This sauce right there. This is mine. Steak and ribs. And this is baby girl food. I just got up because I went to work last night. And I got some packages. So I was like, let me just open it and show you guys. This is from Amazon. is this shapewear leggings. I like the thing in the butt. I don't like the. I got this here in the butt area. We'll see how it fits. I think it fits. I have this on the back. And then this is from Timo. And we'll see this. So these are some garbage bags that I got for the garbage bin in the bathroom. Oh, it's nice and soft. And then I ordered this for the laundry room. It's long. Oh my. Maybe I overdid it. That says laundry room. I don't know if I overdid it or not, but it's huge. And then these are just some kitchen curtain. And just a piece of kitchen curtain. And more kitchen curtain. More kitchen curtain. I'll open this one. That and done. And you have the piece. So. Alright, you guys. So, I got these in the mail from Amazon. I am going to organize my fridge. So I decided to get, and I think these are small. Let me show you guys. I think they're too small. They're quarter gallon. These are quarts, right? So it's for milk, to pour milk and juice in there. I think this is too small, but I have 4. We don't drink a lot of juice. So, and then we have another fridge in the garage. So if there's anything, we can leave it outside, leave it in the fridge outside. But just keep this one organized. Oh. And then this one. So these are 4 pieces. And these are the whole sodas. But again, we don't drink soda, but we have the, what's the water? That thing you were drinking. It's flavored water or something like that, or seltzer water, but it's in the can. So I got that. I got this. I ordered this separate. This is for, wait a minute. Amazon, don't play with me now. The thing is crooked. You see it?
Really put it in and see.
It's no. Alright, there you go. This is for my phone because I have the fold phone and I need it so when I'm recording it can hold my phone properly. Yeah, this is what this is. Because I be having to hold my phone in my hand and that phone is heavy. Or it can get heavy, I should say. These are small. But they're the whole stuff, whatever we have in the fridge. Salad dressing, butter. Yeah, that's stuff. We have green seasonings. All that could go in here. So if anything spills, then it can spill inside of here instead of the fridge. When I finish organizing, yeah, I'm gonna see. But I'm gonna have to stock up my fridge though. Alrighty, that's it for my hauls. I'll see y'all when the fridge is organized. So guys, it is 2:57 in the morning. I am cleaning and washing off the stuff that you guys seen me unbox. And this is what mommy brought up this weekend from New York. So this is dukuna and this is sweet potato pudding. I am about to go and have me one of this. Yes, while I clean out my fridge. Y'all, I'll be back. So this is what the dukuna look like. Y'all see I already had a piece, right? It has sugar in there, but it's not as sweet, but you can taste it just a little bit. You're tasting the ginger. It's delicious. I'm about to tear this up. Alright, you guys, so I am done with the fridge. When you have nice fridge, you're supposed to keep it clean. I'm watching my video. So this is it, you guys. So I use the trays. Seasonings. These are peppers, and my husband loves pepper. He's Trinidadian. This. And these are for baby girl. So I put these is her Go-Gurts and her smoothie. She can reach these shelves, so that's why I put them here. Easy access for her. We have our eggs. I put my pudding and dukuna in here. And like I have cheesecake in here. Yep. Then I put the onions and carrots, tomato in the tray and then put it in there. Did that with the peppers. This is where we have our bread, butter, and stuff that he used to make fry bake and roti and all that stuff here. And these are the extras from here. Yes, y'all. So this is passion fruit juice, orange juice, and that is baby girl's juice. I have no milk, so the other one is there for the milk. This is it. So I'm gonna get milk and put it in here. But this is it, y'all. Yep. Keeping the fridge organized. Now the freezer, hot mess. Alright, you guys, so I am finished. I did clean up the kitchen somewhat, but I have to soak those. It is 5:42. Baby girl is still sleeping. Osi just leave for work. So I'm going to go take a shower and go to sleep. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.